Every year, a small bird flies thousands of kilometers to a place it has never seen and arrives exactly. No map, no signs, no one to follow, across oceans, in the dark. So here's the question. How does it know which way to go? Part of the answer is what you'd expect. The sun, the stars, landmarks far below. But take all of that away. Cover the sky. The bird still knows north. Something else is guiding it. The Earth itself is a giant, gentle magnet. Invisible field lines arc from pole to pole. And the bird can feel them. Maybe even see them. In the back of its eye sits a special protein. When light hits it, it sparks a tiny reaction. And that reaction is sensitive to magnetism, through a strange rule of quantum physics. Two particles, briefly linked, responding together to the magnetic field around them. It may paint a faint pattern across the bird's vision, a shading that shifts as it turns its head, a compass drawn directly onto what it sees. We can't be certain. We can't crawl inside a bird's eye and look out. But the evidence keeps pointing the same way. The compass is quantum, and it's built from light. The same physics we struggle to control in billion-dollar labs. A robin, born knowing how to use it. No training, no instruments, just instinct and physics. So the next bird you watch cross the sky may be doing something we can barely imagine. Reading a force you cannot feel, painted in light, across the whole of the world.